guys, and welcome to another episode of ziRight Girls. Today we're visiting Meridian Pinehurst Nursery School, and we're going to be talking all about prenatal and postnatal care with our expecting moms.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time to come. And I know, like I said, I've been a mom myself, so it's a special time in your life. So we're grateful to have you here. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of our speakers that are here today. So to my right hand side, that is all of our speakers. They are amazing people. Thank you for your time and being here. And also, especially one of my moms, Alex, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Thalia Isaacs. Some of you know me as just Thalia, which is also cool. And some of you might have seen me on campus. I'm Noah and Jonah's mom, and they attend the preschool here at Curro Meridian Pinehurst. So I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist. I work out of Melomed Belleville. And alongside my partner in crime over there, Dr. Masina, we've recently started a podcast called ziRight Girls, which means Are You Alright Girls? And its aim is basically to teach women everything that they should know about their gynecological and reproductive health without having to go through the 10 years that it took us to know some of the basic things that we didn't know when we were 18 years old entering med school. So that's the purpose of that. We are going to be doing a little giveaway at the end of our talks. So if you want to enter and stand a chance to win a prize, you can scan the QR code that is on your screen at the moment. It'll take you to our YouTube channel where all our videos are loaded. And if you scroll down specifically to episode 3, it's the video all about prenatal, antenatal care, which is basically what I'm going to be talking about today. And then please like and subscribe on that video. And then if you comment the word mama in the comments, you will then be entered into our giveaway at the end. Okay.
Good morning. I am Dr. Masina. My first name is Tembelishe. I hope everybody can try and pronounce that, but you can just shorten it to Lee, like Thalia has. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about postnatal care, basically. So, you think you're pregnant and you think, oh, the hardest part is over and it's all going to be nice and rosy, but there's a new baby coming. And there are lots and lots of changes in your body and in your social circle and circumstances that you may not foresee.
have at Joanne Scott 8117. Yay!
Congratulations.
Drum roll. Mrs. T.93. Yay!
Congratulations.
And for the babies or us prize, we have
Big one.
we have Elaine Botha 4.
Congratulations.
All right, ladies, that concludes our session. And as always, we hope
ziRight to go.